Having helped so many investors here in Enugu, made millions, and also helping them build their real estate portfolio from 10 million to 100 million. I assure you that buying Shiloh Gardens Estate is going to change your life forever. Is it a new thing that you have heard so many people complain that they know when they were selling this land for 500,000, they could have bought as many as possible and they didn't buy. 2 years later, it's now selling for 3 million, 5 million, and 10 million. Now they cannot afford it and they missed out. So do you want to be the same person? I bet you don't want. So we are selling this Shiloh Gardens Estate here in Independence Layout Phase 2 for just 15 million naira, and you can be a landowner. This property has the potential to grow from 15 million naira to 60 million naira or above in the future. I wouldn't want you to miss out on this. So call me with the number on the screen. Let's bring you here so you see for yourself. Our documents are verified and I don't want you to miss out. I want to help you grow your wealth. You know, this estate is very close to New Enugu, where the government has set to do an amazing infrastructures, which will be having banks, smart school, so many other estates coming along. So call me with the number somewhere on the screen. Let's help you secure this Shiloh Gardens Estate here in Independence Layout Phase 2. Ebi Feneme.